Hi, I'm Wyatt, and I'll be guiding you through Sirapix POS. I'll show you how to create an order, manage your clients, quickly select product variants, and apply a total discount, all in just a few simple steps. The POS interface uses a clean 3-column layout, optimized for both desktop and tablet. At the top, you'll find fields for the customer's phone number, name, and email. On the right side, the status panel shows whether you're online or offline based on your current connection status, how many orders are currently queued, and includes a Sync Now button. On the left, there's a compact sidebar that gives you quick access to the store homepage, WordPress dashboard, POS settings, and logout. The center of the screen is divided into 3 functional areas: categories on the left, a product grid in the middle with search and image-rich items, and the current order panel on the right, which includes totals, an origin selector, and all checkout actions. To process an order, start by selecting the relevant category, then choose the item from the product grid. If you have a large number of products, you can use our instant autocomplete search, which lets you find any product by typing just the first 2 characters. Sirapix also handles products with variants effortlessly. Simply select a product that has variations, and a side panel will automatically open, allowing you to pick the desired variant and add it to the cart with a single click or tap. To link an order to a customer, simply enter their mobile phone number into the customer phone number field. If a customer with that number already exists, Sirapix will automatically pull their details into the terminal. If not, it will create a new customer record in your WooCommerce database instantly.